You look at your bank account and tell yourself, okay, no more eating out this week. No more impulse shopping. I am saving. And then, 3 days later, you are doing exactly what you said you would not. Why does this keep happening? Here is the truth. It is not because you are bad with money. It is not because you lack willpower. It is because your brain is literally wired to spend. Every time you buy something, your brain releases dopamine, the same chemical behind social media, sugar cravings, and anything else that feels good in the moment. Your brain does not know the difference between a smart purchase and a stupid one. It just knows spending feels good, not spending feels like discomfort. This is why willpower alone never works. You are fighting millions of years of brain wiring with a decision you made on a Tuesday morning. The brain almost always wins. That is not weakness. That is just how humans are built. So what actually works? You stop relying on willpower and start building a system. Step 1. Automate your savings the moment your paycheck hits, before your brain even sees it. Step 2. Give yourself a guilt-free spending amount every month. Permission to spend removes the restrict-and-binge cycle. Step 3. Add a 24-hour rule to any purchase over $50. Most impulse urges are completely gone by the next morning. You are not bad with money, your system is just broken. Fix the system, and everything changes. Follow 4 more strategies that work with your brain, not against it.